Hey, what's your thought on the new exhaust law?
Huh?
On the new exhaust law?
I had another one.
Oh, you another one? All right, man. Hey, what's up, guys? So you guys won't believe where I'm at. Keep it recording. Keep it. Show what's up, bro. That Tomei what? Tomei. All right, so this is it. I'm gonna go to the CHP office. All right, guys, this is it. Moment of truth. So I'm going with one of my closest friends. We're gonna go to the CHP office. We're gonna see if we can talk to one of the officers there to give us facts. We want facts, guys. We don't want any speculations. We want to clear up the confusion that's going on the internet. So that's why we're gonna go to the CHP office, and to make this video that much more enticing, we're gonna take our modified cars. Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video, we're gonna do something that nobody has done yet before, and that is we're gonna actually visit the CHP regarding this new so keep it recording. Take 5. All right, ready? Somebody give me up.
This new exhaust on that pass by.
All right. No, just keep it recording.
CHP even asked to pop their hoods.
That'll be messed up. Hey, what's up, guys? So you guys won't believe where I'm at. I'm actually here at the SubieTroops headquarters. Got the man, the boy, Danny.
What's up, guys?
Hey, he's about to give us a little. Yeah,
you know, I've been having trouble with
it's all good. He's about to give us a cold start. Go ahead. Okay. Nice little rumble to it. Which exhaust is it? Video?
It's video and on racing.
Okay. Sometimes I do miss the fucking rumble, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh yeah, the equaling now.
Yeah.
I feel like you're so rumbles in there.
Yeah. Hey bro, on the real though, like, you know when you say, oh, there's shit that I see, you know, my car that nobody others sees, no other person sees but myself. Every single person out there, bro, thinks the same way. Like for my car, I know everything what's wrong, dude.
Yeah.
Like, I know all like the imperfections, all the things that I don't like. But like to others, they don't see it.
Exactly.
Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
To me, it looks good. Like no one's gonna be inspecting the car for more than 5 minutes, bro. You know what I mean? They see it, they're gonna be like, oh shit, that's clean. But yourself, you're always gonna be the biggest criticizer for yourself. Exactly. Always. Check out my friend. He just got his new Tomei catback for his 370Z. Check that out, guys. Rev it louder. Louder, bro. Do it louder.
Alright.
Floor it. Damn. That's mean, bro. Show what's up, bro.
Hell yeah.
That Tomei what?
Tomei, boy.
For how long have you been having it for?
Almost a week and 2 days.
After the new law, you're a savage, dude.
You know I had to.
You know you had to. Things popping, man. Hey, bro, so what do you think about this new California exhaust law?
So I think it's bullshit, man. I mean, I just got my shit and I want to be able to embrace it and enjoy it, and I just can't, you know?
Right.
It's the law, so. I'm just gonna keep it, you know, it's the Tomei, so I gotta, you know.
Yeah, you gotta keep it on, right?
You gotta keep it on.
That Tomei, guys.
You gotta clean it, you know, clean the Tomei.
You know you gotta clean the Tomei. My favorite exhaust, hands down, the Tomei. Thing is just beautiful, dude. On any car,
satisfied with
right?
The Tomei, like you gotta hear it in person. Like it's.
Just look at those welds, bro.
Video don't do it justice, bro. Person is better.
Tomei looks good on any car, straight up.
Oh, straight up.
How much was this, by the way?
It's like
$1,000? That's
about
how much?
1,000.
Yeah. Looking sick, bro. Yeah, man. Yeah, you know.